Okay, so sorry for that delay. My screen wasn't popping up. I'm going to show you the proper way to copy a segment. Well, you first of all got to start with a segment. So we're going to have a segment. Remember, a segment has two endpoints. So there we have two endpoints, A, B. And then I'm going to put a line because I'm going to copy AB onto line with a random point X. So a line random point X. Now I'm going to use my compass and I'm going to widen out my compass so that it is the length of AB. And I can tell that because I have an arc at B because I put my compass the other way around, but I put the point at A and there we go. Okay, and now I'm going to do the same thing on the line, but I'm going to put the sharp point on X and make an arc. So make an arc right there. Where it intersects is another point. And so we're going to call that Y. And so we know that AB is equal to XY. So there's a copying of a segment. Now, if I'm going to construct a segment bisector, all right, so I'm going to start with a segment. I just did it freehand. You can use a straight edge. Call it AB. All right, now I'm going to use my compass. Make sure it's over halfway. Just eyeball it. Doesn't matter if I start with A or B. I'm going to start with A. And I'm going to make a big arc over halfway. So it goes above and below the segment. So there's an arc. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing, but go on the other side. So now I go to B. Because the idea, I need to get a point of intersection. Ah, does that make you feel like you're back in school? Point of intersection on the side. So now I'm B. Where is it at? Put on B, and I have a point of intersection above and below. And so now I'm going to put points there. I'm going to use a straight edge. Here's a straight edge. I'm going to connect those points. This happens to be a perpendicular bisector, which means that it's 90 degrees. Every time that we construct a bisector, we're going to label that M. If I were to measure this, let's say that this is A to B is 5 inches, then that would make AM 2.5 and BM 2.5. So that's how we do a segment bisector. All right, thanks.